a video of people running. I am told that this is in South Africa. I'm yet to verify, but from the look of things, yes, this looks like South Africa. And what makes me believe this is there's another video that I saw on X Twitter, which people were jumping out of a construction van, and the police then had to turn back and to arrest them. These operations that are happening, and they're happening sporadically in the country, where Home Affairs is sending people and they are arresting people. As I said in other video, please, if you can, please regularize your stay in South Africa if you want to stay. If you can't, find other ways, either go outside South Africa or go somewhere else, than to live like this, doing cat and mouse games with the police and the immigration. Don't do it, because what I know is, pauno toro kano kandwa ku Mbombela, or pauno kandwa ku Sun City, or kupi kwanono kandwa, pazhinji pachona, you are not going to recover much from this, because uchazoda maybe uchazodzoka kuno kusina kana mare, because chaitika njokuti uchatanga unzi vanhu vachatanga paunombovharirwa ka vanogona kuuya voti tipe mari, motsvaga mari, matsvaga mari konzi pane mukuru ada kubhadharwa, mubhadhara futi mari yese tumari twese twanga wakasevha twakangada kuzotuzoshandisa kuya kuZimbabwe muna December totorwa twese. So zviri nani utsvage mari. Get in touch with General People Shellers on this number that I gave in the other video. Get in touch. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just doing this because I want to help my other brothers and sisters that are based in South Africa. Musaite gonzo na chingai, musaite kiti na gonzo mu South Africa. Zviri nani mubude mudzoka kuno kumusha, kana kubuda moenda kuchando nana Australia, New Zealand. You can get in touch with my sister Jean the Blessed on her page. Please check it out. Anowanzo poster madeals ekubuda kunana Canada. Mobuda moenda than kusera muchimhanyisana nemapurisa. Kana musina enda muno apply maslam, kana kunda muno apply permit. Zvinokubatsira izvozvo. Ndatenda hangu. Tosangana pane mavideo anoteera.